welcome back. This is just a quick little update on what's going on with this new full firewall I'm putting in. I'll get the camera off the tripod and I'll show you what I got. All right, so got the firewall in there, clamped up. It's looking good. This side over here, passenger side, this is perfect. Everything fits in real good. And then you get to this side. This side I can't get to line up to save my butt. So anyways, you can see the gap right here. And if I push on it, I can barely put my body weight in it to get it to go. Also, right in here, you see this gap right here. You see how this is sticking out? And in here, might look okay and everything, but it is down just a little bit, as you can see. So what happens is when I push that up firewall up from underneath there, or ratchet strap, this part and this part come out even further. I was fighting this thing, couldn't figure out what was going on, finally took it back off, started looking at this torque box. And this torque box, and I don't know, you might be able to tell from the video here, but it is actually twisted this way a little bit, which is holding the floor pan down in there and holding this out and pulling this out. Anyway, that's my issue. So what my fix is going to be, I'm going to take this whole firewall off. I'm going to take that torque box off, get everything fit up, clamped in, and then reattach it to the firewall, making sure that my measurements from down here up to that pad there are exactly where they need to be. So that's just a quick update on where I'm at. If that's an issue you're having, check out your torque box. So anyways, thanks for coming along, and we'll see you soon on the next one.